Today, I stand before you to express my deep concern and disappointment at the lack of functional indigenous drones for our military. Despite years of promises and investments, we still do not have a single operational indigenous drone that meets the needs of our armed forces. The Rustam project, initiated in 2009, was supposed to deliver a medium-altitude long-endurance, male drone capable of reconnaissance and surveillance. But after 13 years of development, the project is still stuck in the testing phase, with no signs of operational deployment. The Ghatak project, launched in 2015, was touted as a game-changer, a stealthy drone capable of carrying out precision strikes. But today, after 7 years of development, the project is still in the prototype stage, with no clear timeline for operational deployment.
Meanwhile, our military is forced to rely on imported drones from Israel, a country that has become the de facto supplier of drone technology to India. This dependence on foreign technology is a strategic vulnerability that we cannot afford.
The lack of indigenous drone capability is not just a matter of national pride, it's a matter of national security. Drones have become a critical component of modern warfare, providing real-time intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities.
We need to invest in modern technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and advanced materials to accelerate our drone development process.
We need to foster a culture of innovation, where scientists and engineers are encouraged to think outside the box and push the boundaries of what's possible. We need to revamp our procurement processes, moving away from the traditional Make in India approach, which has failed us time and time again. In conclusion, the lack of functional indigenous drones for our military is a national security vulnerability that we cannot afford. It's time to demand better from our defense research establishments. It's time to demand a drone capability that is truly indigenous, truly reliable, and truly capable of meeting the needs of our armed forces. Thank you.